Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be talking about images and using images as paint. So image as paint, basically, that's what we're going to talk about. And SwiftUI has created this really useful view. It's called image paint, where you can give it any image, like, you can give it an image and then let it paint it within your view as a color. Okay. So that's actually really powerful because you can have, like, different patterns created, like custom patterns created for your images, like, or create, like, custom frames and stuff like that. So you can do a lot of things with this image paint. So let's go ahead and take a look at an example of how you can use image paint. Okay. So we're going to create, first we're going to create an image paint. So let's go ahead and create that image paint. Okay, and we're going to give it an image. Okay, and we're also going to give it a scale. So image is going to be, we're going to use custom image. So DT logo, and we don't need surrounded source rectangle. We can only, we're only going to see how we can, so let's use 0.2 for the scale first, because I want to show you how scale actually affects the way image is painted. Okay, so you're going to use 0.2. And we're going to create a Z stack with circle. And we're going to stroke the circle with image paint that we have created. With line width. We're going to give it, like, rather heavy line width. Let's create a frame. Width as 200, height as 200. And let's also give it a shadow. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we have so far and how we can actually, how our image paint looks like. So this is how our image paint actually looks like. It's rather nice. I actually really like it. But as you can see, like, if you change the scale value, the size of the image actually goes up. So image scales up and scales down, and it actually creates some beautiful patterns here. You can have it, like, like, for example, one, and with one, your entire image is going to be actually be there, and it's gonna have the cutout. Okay, and if you rather show, like, small prints, I tried this one with my image with the logo that we have, and in that case, 0.05 looks rather nice. Okay, so you can actually try 0.1, and as you can see, like, how this different scale is actually giving it a different effect. So this is how you can actually use your images as a color value. Now, as you can see, like, we are using this image as a stroke value. Stroke takes a color, and we are creating image paint color and painting our border for the circle, that line border that we are creating with this custom color that we have created. Okay, so this is the way you can use your images as a paint color, right? So this was the example for that. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in next video.